Paul from HouseForce. I've got a client where we fitted a cubicle shower about 13-14 years ago. There you go. But the controllers have had it and you can't purchase them anymore. We're going to fit a new controller so they don't have to throw it away for them. That will sort the shower cubicle, hopefully. So this is going to be the new controller. What I've done, I've made a Perspex back plate because the hole on here is much too big. I had to recut the holes here. This is going to be screwed and siliconed in as well, just to, and then this recut the holes, so this now will fit here, covering there, and then the new plate, because it's all sealed with rubbers as well, will go like that. Well, there you go. Okay, we're all done. New controller. Let the water off. First thing is going to come out of the shower one, and then you press the button, and then it comes out of the head range one. Yeah, all done, dusted, happy.